Welcome to Power Electronics lecture. Today we will discuss about the step down chopper, or it is also known as the buck converter. This is the circuit diagram of the step down chopper. Okay, it consists of the DC supply chopper. This is a switch. It may be power MOSFET, GTO, force commutated SCR, okay, freewheeling diode, inductor L, and load. Step down chopper as a buck converter is used to reduce the input voltage level at the output side. Means the output voltage is less than the supply voltage. It is called the step down chopper or buck converter. Buck means step down the voltage. Now the operation of the step down chopper: when this CH, this is kind of switch, it is acts as a chopper. When this chopper is on, then V naught equal to Vs. When chopper is on, then V naught equal to Vs. The current flowing through the path, this red line is showing. In this condition, this freewheeling diode is reverse bias. That means it is act as a open. So when chopper is on, then V naught is equal to Vs, and in this condition this inductor L will store the energy. At that time the polarity appear positive to negative, and direction of output current is downward from the inductor. Okay, so this is the operation of step down chopper when chopper is on. What will happen when chopper is off? When chopper is off, then V naught is equal to 0. When chopper is on, that means when chopper is on, this switch is off, means switch is open. In this condition, the store energy by inductor will discharge the energy and polarity gets reverse. Initially it is positive negative, but now it is positive negative positive. The direction of flow of current is again downward for the load, and in this condition this freewheeling diode is in forward bias and it will conduct the direction of current flowing this. Okay, but the output voltage is 0. V naught is equal to 0. Okay, when chopper is on, then V naught is equal to Vs. When chopper is off, then V naught equal to 0. Okay, this is our supply voltage, constant DC supply voltage. Okay, and when chopper is on, means turn on. This is the turn on time when chopper is on. This is the turn off time when chopper is off, and this is the total time period, or it is also known as the chopping period, T. In this condition, when chopper is on, the current will rise from I1 to I2, and when chopper is turned off, then current again will decrease, means falls from I2 to I1. Then again chopper is on, it is again increase, and when chopper is off, then again it is decrease. Okay, so T on, it is the interval in which chopper is on state. T off, it is the interval in which chopper is off state. Okay, when T on, when Vs source voltage, input voltage. Okay, total chopping frequency. So this is fixed DC voltage, and we are getting the variable DC voltage. Average, how to calculate the average output voltage? When V naught is equal to 1 by T integrated by 0 to t. V naught is equal to Vs dt from 0 to turn on. If we integrate it, we will get the Vs by T on by T. So this T on by T, it is the ratio of, this ratio is known as the duty cycle, T on by T. T on can be varied from 0 to T, and this duty cycle is always varied from 0 to 1. Okay. So the average value across the load can be stepped down by varying the duty cycle, because T V naught is equal to dV. Okay, if we vary this duty cycle, we can control this output voltage. So we have three conditions. When chopper is always off, then D is equal to 0, means V naught equal to 0. When switch is on, when switch is always on, then D equal to 1. Okay, T on by T, then V naught equal to Bs. But it is not possible, because sometime chopper is on, then sometime chopper is off. This is okay. Chopper is a device, fast switching device. Now if another condition, if the duty cycle is 25%, means 0.25, so the value of average input voltage is 0.25. that means V naught is less than the Vs, means output voltage is less than the supply voltage. Okay, so from the conclusion, from the point, we can conclude that the output voltage is always less than the input voltage. Okay, that is why the name is step down chopper. Okay, which is justified. It is also known as the DC buck converter. Okay, thank you for watching.